In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the screencast feature and connect the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 phone. This is the regular Note 10 phone. And I'm going to show you how to connect that using the screencast to a Windows 10 computer or laptop. So first, make sure both the phone and the laptop is connected to the same Wi-Fi router, and you will need Wi-Fi connection for this to work. And on your Redmi Note 10 phone, make sure you have the screencast feature readily available, so when the time comes, you can quickly access it. Now, with all that said and done, let's go ahead and click in the startup menu on your computer and go to where it says settings. So click on that. This window is going to show up, and you want to go to where it says system. So click on the word system with all these other options available. So click on that. And when this window opens up, or when you enter into this area here on the left side, this is a left side menu here. You want to scroll down to where it says projecting to this PC. So click on it when you see it. And if you're new to all this, you might see a option to the top that says install the wireless adapter display or wireless display adapter. If it says that, click on it, run it, and let it install it. And then come back here and change these three drop down menus here to the first one being available everywhere. The second one should be set as every time a connection is requested. And the third one for the pin, make sure it says never. Once you've made these changes and the wireless display adapter is fully installed or ready to use, then go on the left side once again and go back up to where it says display. Click on display and come back to the right and go down a little bit until you see connect to a wireless display, that option right there underneath multiple displays. Click on it. And when you click on it, there should be a right panel that's going to pop up like this. And it's going to say connect, and it's going to show you that it's searching for nearby devices. Now, while it's doing that on your Redmi Note 10 phone, this is the part where you use the quick panel access or go into the control center, find the screencast option, long press it, and you'll see the switch to turn it on. And of course, if it's your first time, you'll have to go through the whole agreeing thing, and make sure your Bluetooth settings is on from here on, and turn on your location as well if it does ask you to do that. All right, so go ahead and turn on your location if you haven't done so yet. So agree if it's your first time, and yes, this is my first time as well. And it's going to say that it's searching, and it should have this prompt that's going to pop up on the bottom right and asking you to allow whatnot. But if it doesn't show, like for me, it's not showing right now, you'll see where it says project into this PC right there, or go back to the left here on the left menu here, go back to project into this PC, and then you'll see where it says launch the Connect app to project to this PC. And when you do that, this is going to show up on your computer. And then you want to go back to the screencast area. You can cancel that and maybe turn it on again, and then you should see this show up on your phone, the name of your computer. Tap on it one time and it's going to show that it's about to project. And once you've gotten to this part here, it means you are on the right track, and there you go. So it should have the cast little menu there to the top left. You can tap on that for like other options as well. And now whatever you do on your phone will show up on your computer or your laptop. And of course, this is using Wi-Fi connection. So if you have strong Wi-Fi connection, the browsing and video loading and all that stuff will work perfectly in sync. If you want that to have the best, if you want to have the best experience possible. So make sure you have very strong Wi-Fi connection. But other than that, once you've gotten to this part here, that means you're all good and ready to have some fun. So like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new to my channel. And any difficulties, leave it in the comment section and I'll do my best to help you. Thanks for watching.